Okay, good morning, everyone. Morning, hi, Terence, Wai Chin, everyone here. Turn this off. Okay. Okay, good to see everyone here. Merry Christmas to everyone. How many don't have enough sleep today? Type me, we don't have enough sleep. Help me slept very well. Okay, I came back like 3 a.m. yesterday, so I'm like very sleepy now. Okay, we have a poker game yesterday, and we booked the whole restaurant for the poker game. Okay, but it was a good time. Okay, for us. Okay, so anyway, Merry Christmas to everyone. Okay. First thing first, want to appreciate everyone for being here. Hi, Irvin, everyone, whether it's a public group or in the ME group or SMT group. Okay, I want to appreciate everyone. Okay, as we go to the new year, I wish everyone Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so as usual, we will go through the market first, then your individual stocks, and lastly, we'll go through your stocks. Okay, not enough sleep. Okay, so let's look at S&P first. Anyway, now market should not be very exciting now because market is winding down, right? Okay, weekly charts. Weekly charts. Weekly charts. What's the trend for weekly charts? Oh yeah, but whatever I share with you all today is for entertainment purpose. No advice to buy, not advice to buy and sell. Type yes if you agree. Okay, long term for weekly charts. What's the long term for weekly charts? Weekly chart is up. How to see this up? Very simple. Just see the color. Okay, last week still up. Okay, so S&P 500 long 1 year time frame continue to stay long. Okay, so up about 49%. Continue to stay long. Okay. Okay, so how about daily charts? Daily charts 3 to 9 months. What is the trend for 3 to 9 months? So long term is up 3 to 9 months. I would say more like sideways right now. Okay, so you can draw this box over here. we have candlestick turn rate, okay, but we can see also over here no teeth, okay. So right now we are stuck in this box over here. Type yes if you understand, or any question if you don't understand, okay. Just like previously was this box over here, okay. So need to clear this, okay. Maybe New Year, after New Year, maybe we'll clear, okay. Let's see how. Got it? Okay, so not today, I don't know, maybe Santa Claus rally, right? Don't know, okay, don't anticipate, okay. So anyway, the resistance for S&P 500, I would think it's slightly lower, maybe around 4750, okay, 4750 with the resistance. Make sense? Understand? Okay, now let's go to Nasdaq. Any question for Nasdaq? Any question for S&P 500? No question. We go to Nasdaq. Okay, long term for Nasdaq. What is the long term for Nasdaq? Up, okay. Up. Okay, this is correction. Nothing much you need to do. Continue to remain long. Okay, for 1 year and above, you need to ride through lah. Okay, now it's already up 87%. Okay, we are long term. Don't wait for, don't how to say, don't exit when the pullback happen. Okay, because pullback will happen. Okay, if you stay long from here all the way to here, you're up 87%. Yes or not? If you have been around for the last 1 year, you all know that didn't change the trend. Do you agree? Okay, we didn't change the trend for long term, and if you just hang on long term, you already make 87%. Okay, how about 3 to 9 months daily charts? Okay, 3 to 9 months, same. Okay, I think right now Nasdaq is sideways. Okay, how do I know it's sideways? We can see from here the teeth, nothing much. Okay, we have the candlestick turn rate, but nothing much also. So right now it's sideways. Okay, it most likely will continue to stay in this area. Okay, until it breaks up. Okay, so when it breaks out like this, when it breaks out, then it will have direction. Okay, so if not, it will stay in this range. So once it breaks out, then it will have directions. Okay, so same thing over here. Right now we are stuck in this area over here. So until it breaks out again, if not, it stay. Okay, so once it breaks, then it will be faster. Make sense or not? Type yes if you understand. Okay, same thing from here. You see, once it stuck in this zone, once it breaks out, then it will go one direction. Got it? Okay, if not, then it will start. It will be stuck in this zone. Okay, so what do you do? Depend on your time frame. If you are long term, then you just follow the long term chart. You can remain long. Okay, if you are short term, 3 to 9 months, then you want to trade it because in the last 1 year there will be trading opportunity. Okay, where you can go long with the arrows, candlestick turn rate to exit, things like that. Okay, so you have trading opportunity. Okay, next, any question? No question. Type good. Today less people. We have like 386 in Zoom. We have 230. Expected lah. Now it's like Christmas mood, right? I also Christmas mood. Okay. Okay. Next we go to Dow Jones. You want to see Dow Jones? Okay, let's go Dow Jones also. Later I have time I go through BTC also. Okay. Anyone bought BTC last few days? Type me if you bought. I posted, right? Okay, around 49,000, right? Okay. Eve also can. Okay, so same thing. For long term, later I go through. Okay, I think yesterday one our poker game is all the Singapore OG of crypto. I think everyone add together got 2 billion AUM yesterday. Okay, so long term, okay, uptrend, right? As Dow Jones average, and shorter term daily charts, so sideways, same lah, guys. All the three charts the same, okay. Got it. Resistance is around here lah, okay. I think it's around here, okay. So I think you need to clear this area over here, then you can go up higher. If not, it will stuck in this range. Okay. Next we go to STI. How many still holding STI? Long term since last year, like STI. If you're still holding STI, last year, April, okay, we got in somewhere here, April somewhere here. Okay, still hold, hang on. Okay, so look at weekly charts. No need to look at daily charts. It's weekly charts. Hang on. We will sell around here later. Okay, this will take a while. Okay, because it's long term. Okay, but if you have bought last year somewhere April, still up about 30%, 27%. Okay. Next we go to Hang Seng. Hang Seng Index. So far, guys, okay. I don't think I'm like rushed through, right? If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Then I can answer. Okay. Because I assume most of you are here almost every week. Last week I was not here. Okay, but almost every week you are here. Okay. So any question on this? Hang Seng chart, a long term, it is sideways to down. Okay, but like I mentioned before, I think right now is a good opportunity to buy on the low. Okay, we have done this before, yes or no? Okay, we have done this before. I've shown you that we are like at the cheaper end of the 2020 of the market. Okay, so you can split the market into four parts, or 3 parts. Then you can see that we are at the lower end of the market. Okay, I think right now, going for next 6 months, there will be opportunity. Okay, i.e. meaning that if you were to buy right now, going forward next 6 months, most likely you will catch the low, in my view. Okay, in my view. Okay, in my view, Hang Seng, if you were to buy now, no need to go very aggressively. Okay, but you can split it up. Okay, and you buy it. You can do dollar cost averaging. Okay, and you buy it and hold it for the next 6 months. Likelihood you will catch the bottom. I've done this 6 months thing before, yes or no? Okay, I mentioned that this is what is this? Asian financial crisis, 98, SARS, global financial crisis. This is COVID, and this is don't know what crisis. Okay, but the clamping down crisis. Okay, but I think it's an opportunity. And after, when it hit bottom, within 6 months, it will bounce. 6 months, it will bounce. 6 months, it will bounce. 6 months. Yes or no? I've covered this before. Okay, so if you were to, because when it hit the low, we don't know whether this part here is the lowest. Yes or no? It may be this week is the lowest. Maybe next week is the lowest. We don't know which week. So you keep buying for next 6 months. Likelihood you will be able to scrape the bottom. Okay. The challenge with this thing is you got to wait, because my market, when it is going, compared to market is when uptrend, when you're buying at a lower, the time taken to go higher is lower. Okay, let's say example, when it's bull market. Okay, so in bull market is going up already. Let's say within a period of 1 year, it can go up a lot. Okay, but let's say when you are recovering, usually the first part of recovery will take a while. Okay, so let's say example, you buy here, this part it gets stuck. Okay, this part it gets stuck. This part it gets stuck. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, compared to let's say market in the uptrend, it will go up very fast. But when you're scraping the low, even though you manage to buy the low, your first part of the acceleration is slow, just like rocket, right? When the rocket going upwards, even though the potential energy is higher, but there's inertia. All right. So what happens is when you buy at the low, there will be previous seller that wants to buy. Okay. What's the ETF? 2833, right? Is it? What's the ETF? I also don't know. I think you can go and search ETF, Hong Kong ETF 就好了. Oh, very easy, right? Google is your friend. Okay. Can or not? Okay. 2800. Okay. 2800. Okay. Guys, okay. Can no question, I move on. Wow. What happened? Oh, this thing also moved already. Hang on. Oh no, give me a second. I think I know what happened. Okay, guys, can you hear me? Okay, let's move on. Any other index that you want to go through? Nikkei, let's go to Nikkei. Nikkei is what? Let your guess. Okay, the good thing about like long term, right? It does not change much. Yes or no? What did we say previously in last 2 weeks ago? Do you remember? When we talked about Nikkei 2 weeks ago, what did we say? Anyone? It's in a box, yes or no? So it remains in a box, okay? So until it clears the box, then it will clear higher. Yes or no? Okay. Until it clears the box, then it will go higher. So like this, until it clears, then go higher. Okay, like this, until it clears, then go higher. Got it? So when it's stuck in that resistance, then it will stuck. Okay. But once it clear, then it will be good. Okay. So later I will show you BTC also. Okay. I am bullish on BTC. Okay. But the challenge with crypto is sometimes you got a lot of funny tail. Okay. Nifty 50. Nifty 50 Ankit last time keep asking, right? So that is an exit. Ankit, are you here? Already over here? Oh, so if you are doing trailing stop, you can exit. Okay. If you are not doing trailing stop, you want to hold long-term trend, you can continue to hold. Ankit, are you here? Maybe not. Okay. Who is from India? We have like fun Sandish from India also. Okay. Oh yeah, public. If please like and share the post if you can. Okay, please like and share the post. And for those that want to join us in our SMT community, we do this every week to support our community, and we manage a portfolio like what I do just now. So if you want to be part of this community, come and join us. Go to this link, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay. Type SMT if you recommend SMT. Today I have no power. Okay, type SMT. You must give me more power. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Sandesh. Okay, Sandesh. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, let's go. What else? What other index? Yeah, so come and join us. Okay. We are not the biggest, but I work the hardest. That's quite jealous, right? Okay. And what is the KL index? FBK. Is it FBM KLCI? Okay. Not work the hardest, because trading is very, how to say, it's very emotional. Oh, so you cannot just 5 days course or 3 days course, then buy, you never see that. The person cannot take action. Yes or no? Oh, so you need to demonstrate over and over again. Then, correct or not? Do you agree? You can demonstrate. Okay, like we do index, right? Every week we do the same index, right? Do you agree that the view, if especially for long term, it doesn't change every week? Yes or no? Uptrend, 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 right? It doesn't change every 3 to 9 months. Of course, it changes because along that 1 year, you can change. But for the long term, we don't change, right? Okay, like Hang Seng, we say buy. I think for the next 3 to 9 months, 3 to 6 months, it will be buy. We see 6 months later how, okay? Anyway, we keep record. Okay, so KL also, I think, is in that similar situation, okay, with Hong Kong. Hey, by the way, do y'all see what happened to the Central Bank of China? Hey, y'all know what happened? Central Bank of China. What did they do? Print money, not print money. Okay, they print money. They want to what? Cut rate and support the what? The economy. Yes or no? That yes, if you understand. So they start to thinking of, okay, now enough of shrinking. I want to start to cut rate to in fact, they actually say we will do our best to support the economy. Do you follow what I'm saying? So we have China, this is happening. Got it? And then we have US. US has been printing, and then they are thinking of what to do next. US, what is their next action? Increase rate. Do you follow what I'm saying? Oh, increase rate. Okay. So we have these two dynamics. Okay. By the way, I mentioned before, right, guys? Doesn't mean that doesn't mean when the increase rate, the market will go down. Yes or no? Doesn't mean that. Okay. I've shown you that before. Yes or no? I've shown you that before. It doesn't mean that. In fact, every the last few increase in interest rates caused the what? Caused the market to go higher. Okay, not lower. Okay. I've done this in the previous webinar before. That yes, if you agree. Okay, for public, I don't think I want to go through again. Okay, but don't look at economic textbook. Look at what is really happening. Okay, what is really happening. If you learn from books, it will say, oh, increased interest rate is bad. Oh, where is crypto? Increased interest rate is bad for stock market, but not true. If you go and check the Fed fund rate versus the stock market, I think I don't want to go through that. I've gone through this before. You know that after the increase of the Fed fund rate, the stock market continued to go higher. Okay. I'm going to show you the chart. So 2009, they lowered the interest rate to the lowest. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, and they did not increase the US did not increase the interest rate until 2013. Okay, 2013, then they start to slowly increase the interest rate. But if you see the for those that went through this before, pardon me, okay. For those that went through this before, I only keep repeating the same thing. But okay, so 1.3, right? Then they start to increase interest rate. Okay, but after 1.3, from here to here, right? From 2009 to about 1.3, they keep it very close to zero. Okay, very close to zero. And then after that, they start to increase the interest rate. Every time they announce, Every time they announce, the market will drop a bit, okay, will drop a bit, okay. Then after drop a bit, then they will recover, okay. Yes or no? I mentioned this before, okay. But okay, so so it's good lah, guys. What I'm saying is good, okay. Even though the market is high, is there possible to have correction? Definition of correction: 10 to 15% pullback, possible, okay. But with a 10 to 15% pullback, those are opportunity to buy, in my view. Do you follow what I'm saying? We do not have a case where the stock market will go through a crash. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, we don't have a crash. Okay, so we must define with a correction and a crash. Okay, so let's say example do like this, right? So a correction, right, will be something like this. Okay, this is like few years, right? Okay, correction will be something like this. These are correction, weekly charts correction. Okay, so you can see from here to here, 8%, 9%, 10% drop. These are correction. These are opportunity to buy. Do you follow what I'm saying? This one, you want to look for opportunity to buy. And then this is not correction. This is a crash. Okay, do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so what am I saying over here right now is same thing over here. These are all correction. These are all correction. Some correction can be bigger, okay, but these are all correction. 10 to 15% correction. This one, COVID was a crash. Okay, got down 30%. But going forward, these are all correction that you give you opportunity to buy. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, guys. So going forward, I think because interest rate is still low. Do you follow what I'm saying? Interest rate is still low. So if there is a correction, 10 to 15% still buy. Okay. Don't have a situation when crash when the interest rate is low. Why? You don't have a situation because they cannot. The money must go somewhere, correct? Not? Money must go somewhere. Okay. Seems like I keep repeating myself. Okay, but never mind. Okay, you understand all this. I'll move on. Okay, if not, the SMT graduates will say every week say the same thing. Okay. Index. Okay, guys. Mona. So please go and research, guys. Please go and research. Look at all the crash. 1998, 2000, 2007. 2007, even recently, last year, 2020, check the interest rates. What was the interest rate? Is it higher or lower? But never in all this few correction, the interest rate is lower. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, they always like increase a few time already, then higher than. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. Please go and Google, okay, or study, okay, check like S&P 500, Fed Fund Rate, and compare the index and look at history. History is your best friend, okay? Some of these questions really can answer through Google. You just Google, you can find an answer. So I won't answer, okay? So let's move on. Index done, okay? Any question on index? No? Okay, that's good. If you don't have a question, all index clear, right? When you all don't have question, means you all understand medium term, long term, very, very long term, what are the trends? Yes or no? Oh, very, very long term, no worry. Medium term, weekly charts, no worry. Short term, right now, stuck in the range. Okay. Next, we go to the individual stocks, COST who is in cost, type cost. If you are in cost, on cost, okay, COST, okay, daily charts. We are doing daily swing, okay, remain long, okay. So this was 13 December here lah, okay, still remain long, okay. Nothing much you need to do. Expedia, nothing much you need to do. Yes or no? Type in EXPD. If you are in EXPD, nothing much. Okay. If you look at the pullback, this is the pullback, rebounding from pullback. Okay. Next, PFE. Who is in PFE? Type in PFE. Somebody asked Collin, what is the take profit for PFE? Okay. No need. Okay, guys. Not say don't need. Don't need to take yet. Do you follow what I'm saying? No need to take yet. Okay, let it run. Oh, our PFE, we got two, right? One PFE is 29 November, which is position trading, 3 to 9 months. We also have a weekly swing 18 October, which is actually here. Got it? How many of y'all got in somewhere here one? 18 October one. Still holding one. Sandato. Okay, so there's a word. Hold on, and actually don't need to exit. Okay, so even if you are the weekly charts, you can take partial profit, but don't need to exit everything. Got it? Take partial profit. If let's say you're doing weekly charts, right? Take profit progressively. You can go here, reach here, take a bit, then you can write through the rest. Got it? Or you confirm, you convert position, make sure you've got the correct size. Okay, size is your friend. Okay. TSCO, that means TSCO. If you're holding TSCO, tractor supply, nothing much, okay. Daily charts. Candlestick turn rate, but I don't think is no need scared, okay, because why? This is candlestick turn rate. Red candle, mark the low. Yes or no? Mark the low, no exit. Mark the no, low exit. Today, if it stay above this price, I think should be fine. Got it? Oh, weekly charts you can see, right? It's still uptrend. Okay. Weekly swing, PFE, there is a short. There is some of this we exited half already. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Okay, some of them like after 4 weeks, 25th October until 25th of November, we exited half. Type yes if you agree. We mentioned this before, right? For 1 month already, we exit already. Okay, about 20%. Okay, exit already. But you can still do the swing if you want. Okay. Okay. So this was the previous swing over here, 18 October. From here, you swing up until here. You can take progressive profit, 14%, come back down. This one, I think no more already. Yes or no? Type yes if you understand. Why? Because break below the red, blue color. Oh. That's also why I must take some progressive profit. Even if you change to position, it will give you sell signal already. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Okay, it will give you sell signal already. Oh. Okay, any question? No question, type good. Going forward next year, what am I looking for? What am I looking for? I'm still looking for resources. Okay, that means like our silver, our gold, our Bitcoin. Okay, things that I'm still looking for resources. Got it? Okay, I'm still looking at resources. Okay, if you look at the economic cycle, right? Economic cycle versus stock market cycle, right? you will see that can you see this one? Yeah, you can see, right, that where are we now, by the way? Early recovery, bull market, market top, full recovery, bear market, late bear market. Where do you think we are? Okay, by the way, interest rate also the same thing. Okay, at the full recession, interest rate is low. Okay, then early recovery, guys, the central bank will not immediately increase. They must like let the economy 站住脚, you know, like stabilize first. Do you follow what I'm saying? So until the economy like get into gear, then they what? Then they start to what? When the economy start to improve and the economy get to gear, then they start to what? Then they start to increase interest rate. But like what I mentioned previously, when the economy start to economy starts to stabilize, they increase interest rate. That it doesn't like increase one time, then oops, sorry, wrong. Okay, then the market crash. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, so central bank it will lose credibility if they started to increase one time after that the market crash or the economy go into recession because of the increase. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. So people say market top, so market haven't top. I already mentioned, right, guys, market top, right? What will happen is market top is after a series of increasing interest rates, okay? And during then what happened? What will be high? Oil prices will be high. Everything will be high lah. Inflation will be high. Oil prices will be high. COE will be high. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, will be like that. Okay, it will be a situation like that. Okay, so during then, energy, staples, these are the things you're gonna get into this. Okay, we are on the way here. Do you follow? On the way here, but in my view, we are not there yet. Got it? We are not over here. We are still on the way here. Got it? We are still in the recovery stage. Got it? Okay, of course, recovery, economy recover doesn't like everybody recover at the same time. Yes or no? The first one to recover is who? Or first industry to recover what are the industry? Technology. Do you follow what I'm saying? They don't need the economy, like example COVID, right? You still use all the technology tools and things like that. Yes or no? But the people still not going out and spend. Yes or no? But as the COVID get better, people go out and spend, it will spill over to the real economy, then the rest of the economy move up. Does it make sense? Okay, so then at this point right now, I think we are still here. Okay. Got it? Healthcare is healthcare here is not the healthcare because there's because of COVID. Got it? It's because of COVID. Okay. I would think right now is healthcare is like a defensive, okay, like defensive. So all these are stable. Healthcare is like defensive. Okay. Share with you one more secret. Okay, the secret is if everybody think in one direction means the other direction is correct. Agree or not? If everybody think is one direction means other direction is correct. If everybody think the market is going to go up, then the market is going to go what? Down. If the market is, everybody think the market is going to go down, then the market is going to go what? Up. Why is it so? Okay, you must understand this. Okay, when you study the stock market and you study the textbook it's different thing. Yes or no? It's different thing. If you follow a textbook and you trade the stock market, how come it doesn't apply in the textbook? It is not like that. Okay, why? Because if everybody think the market is going to go up, everybody will go and buy. Yes or no? They will over leverage. Yes or no? Okay, they will over leverage. Okay, and if there's no more buyer coming in, then the market will go down. Okay. On the other hand, if the stock market is very defensive, very fearful, then what happened is everybody will sell. Okay, when everybody will sell, then there's no more seller, then the market will not go down further. Do you follow what I'm saying? It's important to do this, but sometimes it is good to have correction. Why? To remove froth. Okay, to remove, some people over leverage during the up market. Do you follow what I'm saying? So when the market's going up too frothy, it's good to have a correction so that can remove. So those very greedy people will be out of the market. Do you follow what I'm saying? Will be spin out of the market, will be wiped out of the market, then the market continue to go higher. Okay, so you must understand this concept. If you don't understand this concept, then you like sampan in the ocean always like. Okay. So it's good to, if on the uptrend, it's good to have correction because you want to remove the very highly leveraged people. Stop those out, especially in crypto also. Stop those people out. Okay, so long term, any question? Long term stocks, any question? No question. I will go to A50 is not here. ICLN. Okay, ICLN. Okay, so one must know your time frame. Okay, must know your time frame. What is your time frame? Okay. So if you are looking at 1 year or 2 year, what chart should you look at? Okay, look at the weekly or the monthly chart. Yes or no? That yes, if you understand, you must look at the weekly or the monthly chart. Okay, so if you look at the weekly charts, right now, we are like up and then consolidating. Yes or no? Consolidating. If you look at the monthly charts, then monthly got a swing up. Can you see that? That yes, if you can see that. So monthly means what? 12 candles. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 candles. Got it? So in the next 1 year, you think ICLM is up or down? Using swing trade strategy, up lah, yes or no? Oh, so do you all notice that when you zoom out more and more, it's easier to see? Yes or no? Oh, same thing, guys. If you go to the index, right? If you zoom out more and more, it's easier to see. Okay. Okay, guys. Any other things? If not, let me just share with you this. Okay, I want to. Bitcoin. It's not because of what? Because I think there is an opportunity in Bitcoin. Okay. How many bought these few days? Okay. Type me if you bought these few days. I posted in the Facebook group, yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Please start down here, stop short. Okay. Where is that? Where's my post? Okay, yeah. I don't know. This one is the recent one. Okay. Here. Okay. So watch out for BTC for 49,500 to 50,000. If we can clear this, I think there will be a change of trend on the weekly chart. Okay, let's analyze until here first. This is posted 5 days ago. How many saw this? Type me if you saw this 5 days ago. Okay, good. Okay, so let's see why we have this analysis. Okay, watch. Okay, so go to here. By the way, now it's 50,900. Yeah, went up 1,000 already. Okay, so the smaller the time frame, the more how to say, the more sharp it is. Okay, but the smaller the time frame, also the more noisy it is. Type yes if you understand. okay, but I can look, I can see very small time frame because I got filter crowd. Okay, so look at this. Can you all see this? Type yes, you can see this. Now trend. Downtrend line. Type yes, you can see this. Type yes. Okay, so this was when? This was when it is here lah. I got draw, right? Yes or no? That was here lah. I was drawing this line down, same as this line down. Yes or no? Hey, here this point. Then what happened? Clear, and then it go up. Got it? From here, right? 22nd, where I posted this. Yeah, I said this is a 4-hour chart. Okay, so got it. So once it clear, boom. Can you see that? Search up. Okay, so you look at 49,005 to 50,000. 49,005 around here lah. Can you see how fast it clear? That yes, you can see. Is it impulsive? That yes, impulsive lah. Okay, clear 49,000, boom, clear. Then what happened? Resistance go up to 50, above 50,000 already. 50,000 is here. 50,000 is here. So you clear this, yes or no? Clear the resistance. Type yes if you agree. This is precisely what I'm saying over here. Okay. Watch for this level. If you can clear, I think there will be a change of trend on the weekly charts. Okay. Okay. So then from change of trend we have a 1 month break from here. Okay. So now let's go into the weekly charts. Okay. Now you understand the change of trend concept already, right? Now let's go into the weekly chart. Weekly chart is a what setup? Weekly chart is a what setup? Oh, by the way, I don't like to use this one. I like to use what? GMMA. Oh, yeah, okay, you all know how to use GMMA, right? Okay, swing setup. Okay, can you see the trigger? Week 1. Got it? Week 1 triggered. Okay, so now it's on the way up. Okay. But okay, got one but crypto got this thing called remove the greedy people. Okay, they got this thing called remove the greedy people. So and then I posted this also. Okay, so you see on 22nd was like that, right? So now it clear. Now it become clear this high. Now it go here already. Yes or no? Okay, so anyway, you're long lah. Weekly swing, you're long. Okay, weekly swing, you're long. The only thing you take note is in crypto, there is such thing called remove all the greed. Okay, so they may have one more test. Okay, look at this test. Okay, triggered is here. Type yes if you agree. Triggered is here, and then one more test. Okay, one more test, then go up. Okay, so I don't know whether you have another test of this low again. Got it? So if you want to do a swing, you want to do a weekly swing, don't put your stop loss so close. Put further down. Make sense or not? Okay. But anyway, I think going forward, if we got 1 month, I think should be higher from here. Make sense or not? Yes, if you understand. Question if you don't understand. Oh, so no question. So you can see that after it clears, after it cleared yesterday, right? Broke 49,500, form a flag, have a small breakdown as usual. Okay, rally up again. Okay, this is 49,005. This one is here, right? 49,005 broke down. Okay. Okay, broke 49,005, which is here, and then form a flag. Okay, form a flag. This is what we call the box. Yes or no? Type yes if you understand the box concept. Form a box over here. Okay, sometimes you got a force break to shake people out. And then today what happened? After the force break of the shake people out, a 1 hour chart clearer. Okay. Okay. Then it go up again. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. From here, you can see resistance 49,000, 50,000, turn what? Resistance 49,000, 50,000, turn support. Yes, if you understand. It's like sui textbook, okay? 49,000, 50,000, this is the resistance level, clear, very nice, come back down. Test again, resistance, turn support. Got it? And go up higher. Nice or not? Very nice, okay? If also the same, okay? If also the same, okay? Guys, I'm doing this like real time, right? I post this, then I post this, then you all know what's happening. Yes or not? Okay. I hope you all can like, oh yeah, by the way, my analysis doesn't mean it's always correct. Got wrong one, okay? Okay, so if let's look at if. I go long term first, okay? So approach the market, always look at long term trend. Start from weekly. That's how the one is, because I already assume you all know what's happening. Start from the big picture, then go to the small picture. Start from weekly. What's the weekly trend? Up. Yes or no? Got it? Weekly trend is up. Okay. Can you all see that pullback? Yes, there's a pullback. Okay, about 5 candles. This is about 3 candles. This one a longer. Okay, this is 3, then 5 again. Okay, so this, can you see about 5 candle pullback? Oh, then this is the resistance. Yes or no? Resistance turn what? Support. Type yes if you agree. Or support. Okay, so you can see a tail also. The tail, all these I tell you that buying pressure. Okay, there's buying pressure. So this tail tell you selling pressure, overcome the selling pressure. Now the resistance over here now becomes support. Okay. I think if up to you. If you want to buy, you can buy now. If you want to wait for a further confirmation, let's go now to drill down. So if you big picture aga weekly chart can, then you buy already. Okay. If you want to like have a more accurate, nicer entry, then you can drill down to a smaller time frame. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, so then you drill down to a smaller time frame. So okay, this is the daily charts. Okay, this is the resistance and support. So question, how do I know that on the daily chart it is no longer downtrend? Let's clear what level? Anyone? Must clear what level? Either on the daily chart or the 4-hour chart. Where is the resistance right now to tell me, hey, it's no longer going down, it's going to go up? Which level must it clear? Can see one. Hello. The line here, aga around here lah. 41,000. Yes or no? Wow. I'm so happy you all know. Okay. So if you cannot really see what's happening over here, then you can go to 4-hour chart. Do you follow what I'm saying? You can go to 4-hour chart. Then you see where are the prices gathering. Yes or no? The price is gathering here. Okay. Fact, this is no longer downtrend. Yes or no? It's no longer downtrend. Now it's more what trend? Now it's more like sideways trend. Okay, very good. Okay, so how to know that sideways trend is going to go uptrend? It clears here lah. Then you go up. Got it? So it clears around 4,150. Then you will know that it's going up. Okay. Then you go back to the weekly charts. Go back to the weekly charts. What does it mean on the weekly charts? That means when it cleared 4,150, how high it can go. Then you go back and see, oh, once it clear this, I have a swing trade, you have a 1 month trade. 明白吗? You have a 1 month trade. Once you clear 4150, you have a 1 month trade. Understand not? 明白啊? Okay. John, long term also up. Long term, you can look at weekly charts or things like that. You can hold also can. Okay. Guys, don't do so exotic one, okay? Because not everybody go crypto. Okay. Okay, guys. If not, then 5 more minutes. Let's do your own stocks, okay? Oh, by the way, I share with you in crypto, I'm very degenerate, you know. All the in stocks, I'm totally opposite. In stocks, I'm very conservative. We measure the profit, measure the risk, you know. But in crypto, it's like I'm totally opposite. Okay, it's like I think, hey, money I can lose. Okay, okay. Apple is what time frame? Apple is what time frame? Position daily, yeah. Okay. But I tell you, the FA fundamental for crypto is important. Okay, and in crypto, really, it is a lot of it is not what you know, is who you know. Wow, this one is very true one. Okay, it's not what you know, is who you know. Okay, because okay, the fact is crypto is very not regulated. Yes or no? Do you agree? Not regulated. Okay, so there's a lot of if this happened in the traditional finance world, is cannot one, it's illegal. Do you follow what I'm saying? Well, because it's crypto, it's like wow. Okay. Okay, it's like wow. Okay, all the things cannot do in the traditional finance world happen in the crypto. All the things that, but eventually it get regulated, right? Eventually it get regulated. Okay, so it's good also lah. Okay, so Apple uptrend. Okay, still going up. Follow the trend. Nothing much. Okay. Oh yeah, I saying that guys. Even though I say crypto, I'm pretty wow, but I have my worst case scenario trade. Do you follow what I'm saying? I always have a worst case scenario trade. It means if this thing, what will happen in the worst case? So you must know your risk, okay? Just in case you think I'm like super wild, but in the high risk, I am in the traditional finance, you'll say that it's very high risk, but in the crypto world, it's not very high risk. Okay. Okay, so Apple uptrend, nothing much you need to do, follow up. Okay, follow uptrend. Okay, weekly charts also the same, still up. Got it? Next, we have NVIDIA swing weekly. This one don't have swing lah. Oh, Tommy, don't have. Got it? Oh, swing daily. Oh, swing daily have. Swing daily already swing already, what? Yes or no? Swing daily already swing already, right? Type yes if you understand. Swing daily, already in the swing lah. Oh, you all know this, right? CCI low, then this is a swing already. Okay. Next, we go to NVIDIA. Swing weekly. Swing weekly. Oh, okay. Not yet triggered. Okay. I think we covered this last week, right? or the previous week, not yet triggered. Okay, wait for it to pull back. Okay, what will be the trigger? Above here, yes or no? Type yes if you understand. Guys, trigger, in my opinion, is the most important. Or is the most important. Why? Because you want to find out when this move change. Just now I give a demonstration of Bitcoin, yes or no? I give a demonstration of Bitcoin, but you must always ask yourself, this leg, when is it over? This down leg, when is it over? This is the key question you need to ask yourself. Do you follow what I'm saying? Then you can trigger to buy, yes or no? Type yes if you understand. So everything I must ask yourself, when do I know that NVIDIA, the last 1 month down, no more, it's going to turn up? Then you must do your analysis. Or, of course, the very simple way is to use what? Break prior week high, yes or no? Break prior week high. Got it? It's a break prior week high. That's the normal way to do it. Okay. Of course, you can go into down the daily chart, 4-hour chart. You can go down, but if not, then you don't need. Okay. Okay, guys. So NVIDIA, I think wait for the trigger. Okay, you can drill down the daily charts and wait for the trigger. Do you want to do a demonstration of how to get the most zun entry price for NVIDIA? Let's do a demonstration, okay? That's good. If we can do a demonstration, we do a demonstration. Okay, now NVIDIA you want to buy, right? Yes or no? NVIDIA on buy. Okay, now let's do a demonstration. Okay, NVIDIA, how to look at NVIDIA. Okay, the key is so that you all know how to do it yourself. Yes or no? And you all must ask questions also, because the best way to learn is to ask, right? Okay, so first we establish weekly check uptrend. Yes or no? Okay, this is impulsive, this is corrective. Yes or no? Okay, ideally you want it to correct a bit more. Do you agree? You want it to drop a bit more. Okay, why? You want it to drop at least into the red line. Yes or no? But this stock actually right now, do you agree it's a bit parabolic? Yes, it's a bit parabolic. Yes or no? Okay, so parabolic is like that. Wow, parabolic is like that. So once it goes 3 times, 3 like that, it's parabolic. Okay, so like you draw 1, you draw 2, you know what I mean? You draw second time. So once it can go 3 times like that, means it's parabolic already. You understand what I'm talking about? Like that, like that, like that. 3 times. So once it's like that, I won't trade. So I feel that this one is a bit parabolic. Got it? But anyway, okay, let's go into the trigger. Okay, parabolic by right cannot trade one. Type yes if you heard what I say. Parabolic cannot trade one. Okay, it is too much already. Okay. Actually, this is not a very good example because it's parabolic. Okay. But let's assume it's not parabolic. Okay, let's assume it's not parabolic. It means it's a nice uptrend coming down. Okay, of course, I want to go into the drill down. What I mean by drill down? Okay, can or not? Type yes if you understand. I just want to share with you all that part. Okay, so this trade maybe don't trade. Okay, this trade don't trade. Okay, but I want to share with you how to get the trigger. Okay, so now daily charts. Okay, guys, daily charts. Now go to daily charts. Okay. Can you see daily charts? It is already hitting here, support, rebounding. Okay, so we need one more confirmation. Yes or no? Okay, we need one more confirmation. Then from there, you can go into 4-hourly chart or hourly chart to see where is the congestion, where is the place where there is the resistance. Got it? See where is the price, the top and bottom, where are they? So where do you think is the resistance for this? Support or resistance? Actually, it is right now, yes or no? Do you agree? It is right now, okay? Why? Support, 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 resistance. Got it? It's right now, okay? So if you want to punt, you can. If you want to punt, that means you don't do so long, don't do 1 month. Okay, do a shorter time frame. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Because by right, if you do weekly chart, you can hold how long? You can hold how long? If you trigger, you can hold how long? If you 1 month, yes or no? 1 month. Okay, by right, you can hold 1 month. Okay, once it trigger, you can hold 1 month. Okay, but right now we go daily charts. We clear here, clear this resistance over here. Okay, let me show you that chart. Clear this resistance over here. I think we'll have some upside. Yes or no? But may not go back to the high here. Do you follow what I'm saying? May not go back to the resistance. We may not go back to this high. This daily charts. Okay, so once it clear this resistance for our charts, where will it go? Once it clear this resistance, where will it go? Guess. I maybe will not clear this high. 310 is so conservative. Okay. Okay, I think if next time I got chance, I will share you like Fibonacci. Okay, so Fibonacci you can do like this, do this. So I think we'll go around 320. Okay. Okay. Short-term trade, a few days trade. Ayo, I'm teaching you all how to break the rules. That is bad teacher. Okay. Next 1 week, go and take a look. Okay, see what's happening. Did it happen like that? Okay. And your post okay, did it happen like that? Okay. If you want to do this trade, where will be your stop loss? I think you can do a very tight stop loss. You can do a stop loss here. Got it? Yeah. Yes. Okay, so you enter, let's say today, $300. Stop loss to, it's a master class, 290. Okay, target 320 like that. Okay, ayo, I don't teach you all these things. This one is like all the break rules method. Okay. Okay. If not, then use trader's GPS. If not, then use trader's GPS like that. Then use trader's GPS. Okay. Okay, that is provided you want to do NVIDIA. Okay, if you don't want to do NVIDIA, got so many other stocks. Okay, okay, bonus. Hey, wait, what time is my lunch? You got time? Lunch. Oh, I got lunch at 12. Sorry. Okay, I got lunch at 12. Let's see, where is it? Okay, anyway, what can reach you? Okay, bonus. Let's do a live swing trade screen. Okay, let's do a live swing trade. Why not? Wow, suddenly I'm so energetic. Okay, let's do a live swing. Let's do a daily chart one. Okay, let's do a daily chart. Okay, swing trade, and I think it's important we go through the psychology, guys. Please don't use this as a tips. Can type yes if you all agree. Don't use this as a tips. Okay, use this to record this down and then go back and analyze yourself and then say, think is it true or not for you. Do you follow what I'm saying? That is, I hope what you all can take out of it. Okay. I repeat again, don't use this at all. It's tips time. Okay. Use this, whatever I say. Then you got the record already, ma. Then analyze the next few days. Because we are doing daily trade, 5 days, you know the answer, you know, we'll kai jiang in 5 days, right? Then you see what can you learn from this. I think that's the more important thing that I want to share. Do you follow what I'm saying? If it's a stop loss, if it's a take profit, what is the thing that we want to learn from here? I think if I can achieve that, that will be good. Do you follow what I'm saying? It's not tips time, that's not good. Okay, that is bad. Okay. But if you all learn how to do this, it is useful. Okay. Too long or short? No, so many short. Want too long or short? Long. Long much, not much. Okay. Only is very short. I think short is easier to do, my friend. Short is easier to do. Okay, then let's do long. Because of so many short, that means next few days, what's happening? Next few days likely got pull back a bit. Yeah. You follow what I'm saying? Okay, let's do long. Okay. Wow, then cannot long. Okay, cannot long. Cannot long. You all agree cannot long? But short, you all haven't go long and go short. I then also cannot long. Okay. Let me see whether NYSE can. No, because I don't want to do long. I don't want to short. Is because some of y'all never do long before. So I do one long and do short. Please don't trade, okay, guys. Do paper trading. That yes, if you understand, do paper trading. That means next few days, what happening? Paper trade. Okay, record. Okay. So let's do a long and do a short. Okay. So the context is not tips. Okay. So now let's do this. Daily charts. Okay, daily charts. This one triggered already. So you can have uptrend, pullback. In the future, if you know how to use Fibonacci is also good. Okay, so you use Fibonacci, then you can see pullback. Okay, here pullback 50%, then go up. Okay, triggered already. This triggered already. Then your stop loss is where? Stop loss is here. Got it? So entry will be here. Guys, if this one triggered and like that, right? And you haven't entered, don't enter first. Type yes if you understand. Wait for it to trigger one more time, then you enter. That means you go above 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, then you enter. Then you put a stop below here. Okay, now if you never enter, don't enter. Okay, wait for it to clear 1, 3, 3, 4, 5 above, then enter, then put a stop there. Okay, that will be long. Okay, SGM. Okay, I need to go because we're having lunch with Chat Nexus. Better don't be late. Okay, but let me just show you how to see. Okay, so this is daily charts. Not very slow. Daily charts. So daily chart, then you go to 4-hour chart, then you draw a line, then you see. Okay. I think little knowledge is dangerous. Okay, because some of y'all already know what's happening. Yes or no? You all know what's happening already, right? So we're up, down, this is triggered, put a stop here. Okay, now let's go to 4-hourly chart. Then you see where is the resistance support? Where is the turning point? Okay, where is the turning point? So where is the turning point in this? Well, there are a lot of gaps. Okay, where is the turning point? This one a bit hard to say, okay, because so many gaps. Yes or no? Or too many gaps. I cannot do this. Frustrating. Okay, because I'm doing live, right? Okay. Okay, let's do this. KR. Okay, KR. KR. A lot of gaps harder to do. Yes or no? harder to do. Okay, so daily charts already get pull down, resistance, turn support. Yes or no? Resistance here, support. Okay, now back to support. Not triggered. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Not triggered KR. Not triggered. Okay, now let's see a Jun entry. Okay, for daily charts done already. Go into 4-hour charts or hourly charts. Then you see where are the gem. Gem is where. Okay. By now you can see the support, resistance and support. Yes or no? Okay. So question right now is, how do I know that this move down is no longer down? How do I know that this move down is no longer down? This is about five days. How do I know that this is no longer down? Bounce of support, you must have some confirmation. Yes or no? What confirmation? You all know what I'm doing? Above 44. Okay, so next question is, can I have a better entry? Okay. Can I have better entry? Okay, so let's, hey, by the way, next few days, take a look at this, okay? See whether it happened, okay? So right now, support. This thing is still on the way down, yes or no? Don't know whether it will turn. Agree or not? Don't know whether it's on the way down, don't know whether it turn. So now you need to ask yourself is, how do I know that this thing turn? Okay, so if it turn, that means it will be like this, like this, like this. Type yes if you understand hourly chart. Okay, by then this MA will go like this, this MA will go like this. Okay, do homework together. Okay, if it happened like that, then you have an entry. Okay, remember the W shape, we have this like W shape. Okay, if it goes up, I think around $44, that will be entry. Can? Then next week we'll do it together if it happened. Oh, so once you enter already, put a stop loss below here, that will be your trade. Am I too fast? So you enter around here, you put a stop loss below there, that will be your trade already. Then you do the daily charts, that will be the daily charts, that will be the entry here, stop loss here. Type yes if you understand. I don't really understand. Okay. Next time got more time, then go through again. Okay. So you enter around 44, then put the stop loss below here, that will be entry. Okay. Okay, guys, I need to go already. Let's go lunch. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for being with me for the 2021. Okay. Thank you for being here. Promise next year will be a better year. Oh yeah, next year we have so many good people joining us. Okay. Jay was good, yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Jay is better than me actually. Jay is good, okay. But next year we have more people joining my team to add value to you. Okay. Oh, all the got a lot. The name got a lot of alphabet one. Okay. Behind got a lot of alphabet. Got like 9 letters. Okay, but they are joining to what? To add value to you. Good, right? Okay. So and all very smart people, right? Okay, if not, then thank you very much, guys. Have a good new year and see you. Bye.